Uh-oh. I see something in pink. What is it? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. All right, guys, so right here we do have another package. This is from Mr. Tom Brown, a great fellow collector. He's also sent me a few things, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what is in the package. All right, guys, you ready? Let's open this bad boy up and see what we got today. So he did leave a little letter right here. It says, Mustang Hunter, really enjoy the channel. Keep up the great work. Threw in a few extras. Check out the tempo error on the BMW. Sweet. Enjoy the cars, Tom. Again, thank you so much for sending me this package. Let's go ahead and see what he sent me. I'm actually super excited. Anytime anyone throws in extras or something I wasn't planning on getting, it is just super exciting. So let's see. These are actually really nicely wrapped. It looks like he sent me a bunch of things. Tom, thank you so much for sending me this. You didn't have to send so much, but I'm excited. All right, let's go ahead and move this over and let's see right here. So we do have the factory 500s. I forgot that he had set these aside to send me. This was before I actually found the full set, but check this out, guys. I got a second Porsche 911 GT3 RS in the beautiful yellow enamel. Super stoked to have a second one. Of course, we have another Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4, which I thought was an amazing piece, and of course a second SRT Viper. Now these I am going to open up. I do want to detail these a little bit, add some detail on the taillights as well as the Lamborghini and the Viper. But here we go. We do have the Cadillac CTS-V. I do want to put some headlights on, so super stoked to have a second set. These actually went by super quick at my Walmart. Of course, you're never going to find another GT3 RS because those are heavy hitters, as well as the Viper. Thank you so much for sending me those. Let's see what else he threw in here. Man, these are all nicely packed. Here we go. Let's see, what do we have? Uh-oh, I see some goodies. Ooh, look at that. I do not have this. I've never even seen this. It's the 2016 Camaro SS with a white Borla livery. Check this out. It is out of the Hot Wheels Speed graphics. And this thing is super clean. I've never seen this one before. I don't know. I do have my Borla Mustangs. Which ones do you think represent Borla very well? I actually think this is really nice. But I do have a couple of the Borla variations of the Mustang, but now I have my first Camaro Borla. That is super sweet. Ooh, look at this. This is beautiful. 69 Cougar Eliminator. Check out that metallic purple. Man, that body line is sweet. You can see it says Eliminator right there running down the side. It does have the red line wheels on there. Definitely do love this. I've never seen this before either. And this is out of the 2009 new models. So it is 11 years old, and check this out. This card is in like mint condition. That is very, very nice. Wow. Thank you so much for sending me that one. And here we go, guys. I was actually debating on buying this at the cubbyhole, and I just never pulled the trigger because the card they had was completely destroyed. But this is the 1965 Mustang 2+2 in red. Of course, this is part of the Stars and Stripes, number 4 of 10 out of the 2018 50th anniversary. This is clean. You guys already know the 2+2 is by far my favorite casting from Hot Wheels, and this 1776 livery looks beautiful. That is nice. Man, that is sweet. All right, and then of course, look at that, a naked 92 BMW M3. That actually looks 10 times better that way. That is a really sweet error. Of course, you do have the regular one with the side tampos right here in green, and of course the Zamac right above it. But check out how clean that looks. That looks like a million times better. I love catching variations or errors like this. I do have the Cyclone error, which doesn't have the silver stripe, which I think looks way better. And then of course I do have the naked rear end on the Cyclone as well. A couple other Tampo variations, but this one looks really good. Thank you so much for sending me that. The last wrapped package right here, guys. Oh man, I get so excited every time I unwrap these. Let me know in the comments if you feel the same way as you watch my videos of these unboxes, if you get just as excited as I do. I was not expecting Tom to send me this many. I know we talked about the 500s, but the fact that he threw in this many extras, just, man, that means so much. So thank you very much for sending me this. Uh-oh, I see something in pink. What is it? All right, guys, you ready? Last unveil right here. Oh my God, there it is. The Custom 18 Ford Mustang out of the Hot Wheels Drift, out of the new E-Case. Look at that. Look at that metallic gray. I thought it was a satin color. Every time I see it, I always thought it was a satin gray, but that is a really nice graphite gray with the red and white Formula Drift livery. Check out that base too. You got the red base. You got the black MC5s out back with the red ring, and then the white MC5s up front, just like a typical drift car would. And I love that the front splitter is black. I like how it kind of separates that base. I've been waiting for this to hit shelves, and it has not. This area has been completely dry, and I finally got the new E-Case Drift Custom 18, which is gonna fit in beautifully with my other custom 18s right here. But God, look at that, guys. That paint just looks really, really nice. Love this setup. That is sweet. Oh man, what else do we got right here? Of course, he threw in another McLaren 720S out of the factory 500, and you guys already know that I did not like this cast because of the lack of detail. But now that I have a second one, mainly a second one of all these, I can release these and detail them the way I want. So thank you so much for sending me that. And it looks like, oh my God, there we go. I could not find this anywhere. This is a really nice metallic black with a gold split, looks like split 10 spokes that Matchbox comes out with. But look at this. This thing is nice. 2018 Mustang convertible. And check out the detail. You guys already know Matchbox just details their Mustangs the way they should. And I know King Nut found this one. I haven't been able to find this one at all. So I am super stoked to have this one in my lineup. And look at this. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Look at this metallic pink. It's a 66 Shelby GT350H. Man, I've never even seen this. And of course it has the legendary Carroll Shelby signature right out on the back of the card, and that just looks really, really cool. Of course, it is the special edition satin pink. God, that is really cool. I don't know where you found this, but thank you so much for sending me this. That is just wicked cool. God, look at that, guys. Look at the detail of this thing. It is a metallic pink, but at the same time it is satin, so it plays off the color really, really nice. But man, look at that, guys. Let's move the twin turbo stealth out of the way and put this bad boy right there where all the other Mustangs are kind of sitting. So check this out, guys. Talk about an amazing package from Mr. Tom Brown. Thank you so much for sending me this. This is amazing. Now that I have a second set of the Factory 500, I will be opening these up and detailing them just a little bit, make them look a lot better. And then of course this error is really, really cool. And then the 65 2+2, that is sweet. Everything he sent, the cards are in really, really good condition. And of course this Cougar Eliminator. God, that purple is nice. Look at that. Like I told Tom, I am sending him the Twin Mill 3 because he is the one that asked for this. I know I kept saying I couldn't remember who it was, but looking through the messages, he will be getting the Twin Mill 3. He is getting the Twin Mill ID chase car because he did request that a while back. And for the simple fact that he sent me an amazing package. I know he had mentioned that he really, really wanted the 63 Chevy C10 pickup. Even though I just picked it up, That does not matter to me. I know he wants the new Hot Wheels Legends Tour Pack. That is new for 2021. I will find him one and I will throw it in the package as well. You know what? I'm not even going to waste the time to hunt for it. I will just give him the one I have and put it in his package. So there we go. I know he asked for this and these, and I know he really wanted that. So I will give him this and I will put it in that package and I will send it out to him. So that is all I got, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which one of these was your favorite out of the unboxing. Like I always say, guys, thanks so much for watching and supporting the channel. We are growing together and I definitely do appreciate it. So yeah, until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.